Good evening, student. Today we will discuss about the numerical problems based on the colligative properties. As you know, there are four types of colligative property. One is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Number second is elevation of boiling point. Number three, depression of freezing point, and number four is the osmotic pressure. So in the last videos you have studied about all these property and their formulas. Once again I am repeating the formula, and then we will discuss the numerical problem based on these colligative property. So first, relative lowering of vapor pressure, that is P naught minus Ps upon P naught is equals to NB upon Na plus Nb. This is the formula of relative lowering of vapor pressure. That means relative lowering of vapor pressure is equals to mole fraction of solute. Second one is elevation of boiling point. That means del Tb is equals to Kb into molality. And we can write this formula like this also, del Tb is equals to Kb. In place of molality, we can write 1000 into Wb upon Mb into Wa. Next formula is depression of freezing point. So it will be del Tf is equals to Kf into molality. So we can write like this also, del Tf is equals to Kf into 1000 into Wb upon Mb into Wa. So these are the three colligative property and their formula. Now next one is osmotic pressure. Pi is equals to CRT. C means concentration, or you can say pi is equals to N upon VRT. Or third one formula, pi is equals to WB upon MB VRT. इन चारों कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में आप डिस्कस कर चुके हैं और इनके फार्मूले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. अब इस पे न्यूमेरिकल हमको किस तरह से करना है. अगर हमको कोई भी कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में फाइंड आउट करना है, सपोज़ हम ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर पे लेते हैं. आपका क्वेश्चन है व्हाट विल बी द ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर of solution containing 6 gram urea in 500 ml solution at 27 degrees Celsius. So what we have to do, this is the gram mass of urea is given. According to the formula, pi is equals to Wb upon Mb into V into RT. ये ग्राम मास जो दिया गया है ये Wb है. मालिकुलर मास यूरिया का 60 होता है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन आपको दिया गया है 500 ml. So you have to convert into liter. So in place of V, what we have to write 0.5 liter. Temperature is given, that is 27 degrees Celsius. You have to convert this temperature into Kelvin. So 27 degrees Celsius that will be equal to 300 Kelvin. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, पहले तो हम आपको सोल्यूशन बता दें. T is equals to 27 डिग्री प्लस 273 दैट्स इक्वल टू 300 केल्विन. अगर टेम्परेचर को केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो डिग्री सेल्सियस में जो टेम्परेचर दिया गया है उसमें 273 ऐड कर देंगे. अब आप फार्मूला लगा देंगे पाई इज इक्वल्स टू WB अपॉन MB VRT. So pi is equals to WB, that means 6. Molecular mass of urea is 60. Volume is given 0.5. 500 ml is given to you. You have to write 0.5. In place of R, you have to write the value R, gas constant 0.0821, and temperature is 300. When you will calculate this, you will get the answer, and that answer will be in ATM. Unit you have to write ATM. I think you have understand about this numerical on osmotic pressure, and you have to give the answer in the comment section here. Okay, dear student. Now next question, on the basis of the numerical on these type of formula, there are 3 formulas given here. One is for the elevation of boiling point, next one is depression of freezing point, and first one is the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Suppose you want to calculate the boiling point of any solution and the molality is given to you, and that should be non-electrolytic and non-volatile solute. So by using this formula you can calculate. See what is the question here. Calculate the boiling point of sugar solution if molality is 0.02 mole per kilogram and Kb for water, that's equals to 0.52. So dear student, you are seeing that molality of the solution is given and Kb of the solution is given. So by using these data we can calculate the elevation of the boiling point first. Then after calculation of elevation of boiling point, you have to find the boiling point. There is a difference between elevation of boiling point and boiling point. So by writing the formula del Tb, that's equal to Kb into molality. So del Tb, that's equal to 0.52 into 0.02. This is the molality given to you. Keep in your mind, here should be the molality, not molarity. If it is molarity is given, you have to find the first molality, then have to put the formula. On multiplying this, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, and there are 0 and like this. So this will be the increase in the boiling point. This is not a boiling point. डियर स्टूडेंट, इतना बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सोल्यूशन का बढ़ जाएगा, वाटर का बढ़ जाएगा. वाटर कितने डिग्री पे बॉयल होता है? वाटर बॉयल्स एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सोल्यूशन व्हेन दिस सोल्यूशन कंटेनिंग द मोलैलिटी 0.02 mole per kilogram sugar solution, it's mean the boiling point will be more than 100 plus this one. So boiling point of the solution del Tb is equals to 100 degree Celsius plus 0.0104. So 100.0104 degree Celsius. You want to convert in Kelvin, so you can convert into Kelvin also by adding 273. I think student you have got this numerical also, and now you have to send the numerical on my comment section if you are having any type of problem on the basis of these colligative property. Dear student, you must know in NCERT syllabus Vanta factor is removed, so we can't use here in this formula I, but in the competition it will be helpful. So in the next video we will discuss about the Vanta factor. Goodbye, have a nice day.